Arch Medical Solutions provides over 500,000 square foot of manufacturing space, strategically located across the United States. These facilities are registered with the FDA and inspected by the FDA. We are also ISO certified for medical device manufacturing. We handle prototyping, small-scale production, and we also handle the world's largest manufacturing capabilities for full-scale production in the markets we serve. We service a wide array of end markets, from all anatomies in the orthopedic market to dental, cardiovascular, laboratory equipment, and some of the world's most difficult manufacturing of components for surgical robotic systems.